with the innovation achievement strength, creates the brand with science and technology. Stick to faith and strive to promote the vigorous development of Elephant brand mud pump products and undertakings. Elephant Machinery Company Limited is a professional engaged in R&D, manufacturing and sales of all kinds of mud pumps production and manufacturing enterprises. The company is located in Yancheng, Jianghu County, Jiangsu Province, Jianyang Industrial Park, close to Yancheng Airport, Huai'an Airport, Yanluo Expressway, Yanshu High-Speed Rail. The cultural heritage here deep, outstanding people, developed information, convenient and smooth transportation. The company has a total investment of 130 million, with 30,000 square meters of modern plant. The company has more than 100 employees, has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, EUCE certification, is a national high-tech enterprises. The company was officially listed in Jiangsu Stock Exchange Center on December 10, 2018. Since its inception, the company has regarded scientific and technological innovation as the driving force for the development of enterprises, taking technology-leading enterprises as the positioning and always adhering to independent research and development of core technology to become the global mud pump manufacturing iconic brand as the goal. Innovation and enterprising, unremitting efforts, elephant mechanical ambition, courage to surpass. Elephant Machinery, after many years of exploration and innovation, determined to do fine and strong. BW launched BWF, YBW, DXP hydraulic press mud pump series, DBW motor-driven mud pump series, CBW diesel engine-driven mud pump series, nearly 100 product specifications. The company's products have a variety of flow and pressure range, can realize wireless remote control. Products are widely used in non-excavation, geological prospecting, water treatment, petroleum, chemical industry, Shugong Group, Jiangsu Gudong, Nanjing Dilong, Wuxi Drilling, Sinopec Shengli Oil Construction Engineering Company Limited, and other strategic partners. Excellent product quality to win the high praise and trust of our customers. The company obtained Gudong Excellent Suppliers and Shugong awarded the One Drill Shugong Basic Suppliers. The company's products sell well all over the world, so that Chinese quality to obtain a global reputation. Refining as the core, quality as the lifeline. Elephant Machinery with international vision and innovative ideas. With quality and market dialogue, the company has casting, forging, heat treatment workshop to ensure the stability of raw materials to facilitate efficient production. The manufacturing center of the company pays attention to the process quality of the product and the renewal of the production equipment. It has introduced several high-end NC machining centers and CNC machine tools successively, which has optimized the product technology and manufacturing process and improved the production efficiency. Products are designed, processed, assembled, tested, coded and successfully delivered to the site in accordance with domestic and international advanced standards. The important parts of the company's products adopt advanced technology such as ceramic mosaic, spraying alloy, imported fiber seal, and so on, which greatly improves the life of vulnerable parts and ensures the reliability and serviceability of the products. The company has advanced the testing center in the industry with direct reading spectrometer, 3 coordinates, ultrasonic flaw detection, hardness meter, sites detection and other complete testing equipment, and strict testing means. And equipped with intelligent mud pump performance testing platform for the realization of high-quality product potential, laid a solid foundation. Talent is the soul of enterprise management and development. Elephant Machinery sets up a product research and development center. High-paid introduction of domestic and foreign outstanding high-precision talent. Through mass entrepreneurship and innovation talent project, signed high level of outstanding talent in the industry. After years of development and training, with high-quality R&D team, the company has now obtained 1 invention patent, 18 utility model patents. The company's research and development of CBW2800 high-end intelligent horizontal 3-cylinder piston pump into the first set of Jiangsu province innovative products. Elephant Machinery, adhering to the quality first, customer first business philosophy, to create super-class products and services, with sincerity and credibility as the principle. Improve the pre-sale, in-sale, after-sale service system. Constantly improve service quality and customer service experience, and establish long-term strategic cooperation with new and old customers. In the future, the company will continue to invest more in product development and the transformation of the enterprise environment. In order to create a world-class brand and establish a first-class image of the enterprise and continue to work hard. Standing at the new historical node, Elephant Machinery is flourishing, confident, create new brilliance. Elephant Machinery is willing to join hands with you to create excellence, win-win future.